Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to enter biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down to the other security settings, and here we've got the credential storage section. At the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK, and we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully and this option is inactive. So actually this is it. This is how to successfully remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.